subfloors present a problem within themselves, literally. Subfloors is the area in between the first floor ceiling and the second floor. Floor joists are rigid beams that run parallel to each other between the subfloor decking and the first floor ceiling. In between these beams is air, usually conditioned air. If these beams are not blocked at the ends near the exterior walls, outside air and heat can enter into our homes and allow our conditioned air to leave. As you can see in these thermal images, the first slide shows the exterior siding of the home and its surface temperature. In the next slide, you'll see where the subfloor meets the exterior wall. Notice that in spite of the siding, there's a 7-degree difference. What do you think's happening here? That's right, air is leaking out of and into the ends of the subfloor joists. So it's important that the perimeter of the floor joist be sealed. Here's another energy waster. Recessed can lighting. Recessed cans were created in the 1940s when making a home airtight was not nearly as important as it is today. Most recessed cans manufactured before 2005 were not built airtight. As a matter of fact, manufacturers purposely had holes cut into the tops of the domes to allow hot air from incandescent bulbs to escape. And if these recessed cans were covered in insulation, most would turn on and off because there was no place for the heat to escape, thus causing the overheat protection switch to trip. So, recessed cans allow the transfer of conditioned air with hot attic air through these vents in the recessed can's dome. To prevent this air transfer, you can replace all your recessed cans with Energy Star rated recessed cans, or for a quick cheap fix, you can replace all the bulbs in your recessed cans with CFL bulbs and tape all the holes and penetrations with high quality aluminum tape, and then seal with caulk around the fixture at the sheetrock. The CFL bulbs create less heat than an incandescent bulb, decreasing the need for vents in the recessed can's dome. This decreased need for venting will allow the tape to seal the vents without the fixture overheating. If the recessed can still trips in spite of the CFL bulbs, then replacement of the entire recessed fixture with an airtight version is necessary. Chimneys are like a big hole in your home, allowing conditioned air and hot air to exchange places. So, always make sure the damper is closed when not in use. But, if you have an older fireplace, shutting the damper may still allow air leakage. In situations like this, it may be a good idea to install a chimney damper. These dampers completely cut off air to your fireplace from the top. And for older fireplaces, this can really help keep your conditioned air in your home. Whose idea was it to install fireplaces in southern homes in the first place? That's like putting a screen door on a submarine. This has been a video presentation on insulation and air sealing, part 4 of 5 from CoolSouth.com. Please feel free to visit this video as many times as you like. And remember, always take care of the Cool South.